Hey everyone, in this quick video, we're going to show you how to log into your NatWest Bank account online. So it's super simple once you know where to go. So first up, open up your browser and head over to natwest.co.uk. And on the homepage, simply look at the top right corner and you'll then be able to see a button that says Login. So go ahead and click that. From there, you then land on the NatWest Online login page. So here, simply enter your customer number. So that's the same number that the bank gave you when you first registered for online banking. And once you do that, you can then click Continue. Next, you will then be asked to enter a few random characters from your password and PIN for security. So NatWest also does this to keep your account extra safe. So don't worry if it seems a little different from other banks. And once you've done that, you can then hit login and you'll be in. And from there, you'll then be taken straight to your online banking dashboard where you can then see your balance, make payments, transfer money, or even check statements. And if you prefer using your phone, you can also log in through the NatWest mobile banking app. It's even faster since you can use your fingerprint or Face ID instead of typing in your details every time. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.